Guys, I have successfully added Cloud Streamset into Cloudera Manager, uh, and also added two more data collector. So now we are going to access Streamset Web UI. For this, we'll we need public IP because we are accessing from internet, so we need public ID for this. So slave, because uh, this data collector health is bad, so we'll take slave 1. Okay, IP slave 1. Okay, click on this and data collector web UI. See, it's taking private is private. I have configured private, so I will change with public and enter. Boom. Actually, I have already created. Okay, well, you if you'll access first time, so you will get different screen. So first I will delete this pipeline. Okay, and I will log out. So this screen you will get. Okay, just this screen you will get. Admin is password, then it will show this screen, then create new pipeline, add Cloudera production pipeline. Okay, same description, put here and save. Boom. Now you can able to do whatever you want according to your. Here you will find all connectors, everything, JDBC, ODBC, everything you will get, Hadoop, Elasticsearch, so everything you will get. Just create pipelines, drag and drop, and whatever you want to create, just create. Origin already, the destination, Kafka, whatever you want to add, you can add. Okay, guys, I think you enjoyed the video, and one more thing, please subscribe my channel, like, comment. If you stuck somewhere, just comment it, so I'll help you out. And one more thing, just go to my website. You will find this video in this website. Okay, this is my website. In big data you will find this stream set. Okay, how to configure stream set, everything you will find here. Okay guys, thank you very much.